Alrighty. So, hello, my name is Teresa Canicelis, and I am doing going to be talking about the components of blood. So, everyone has seen a test tube like this, right? So, when they spin your test tube of blood, what is happening is we get the plasma, which is this white stuff up here, right? So you get plasma, and then you get the white blood cells. You'll see this tiny white line right there. And then what you get is underneath that is platelets. Okay. And then at the very bottom of the test tube, you'll see that there's all this red, which is the red blood cells, which is also called erythrocytes. So basically, what is happening here is when they are testing your blood, they are seeing how much plasma you have in your blood and how much red, white blood cell counts, and how much red blood cell counts in there. So when we go over your plasma is creating all of the proteins, um, and is helping combine everything. When you have your white blood cells, it helps you fight the infections and bacterias, and they want to make sure that that count is a normal count. It's not too high, it's not too low. It's if it's too high, that means that there might be an infection in the body, that where your body is trying to fight the infection. If it's too low, then that means that you could be you know, anemic. And so the red blood cell counts, they want to make sure that number is also not too high or too low. If it is too high, that means that the blood can actually clot a lot faster and create TIAs or strokes, heart attacks. So if it is too low, though, and your red blood cell count is too low, then that could also cause problems. It could cause, actually, that is when you are anemic. So, meaning that there's not enough oxygen flowing to all your vessels, which is what the blood creates and has in it is oxygen. It creates the oxygen, also helps for the antibodies in your body, and it helps everything function as one. So, it's important that our blood is healthy and that we have the appropriate amounts of plasma, white blood cells, platelets, and red blood cells. So, the platelets are also what helps clot the blood as well. So, you want to make sure all of these are in the safe zone. And yeah, that concludes blood and all of its components and functions and factors. So hopefully this has helped you, and that it is seen right here that is what this is what a normal blood test tube would look like.